We have the Style Plus 100% human hair. It's a cross part lace wig. This wig I was interested in because it gave you an option to style it however you would like. And as you guys can see, is that you can do a updo. You can just do pretty much any style you like. Now, looking at it again, the hairline looks like trash. The model's pretty, but so we're gonna go ahead and box her to see what we're working with straight out the box. I got her in a 1B. I always get a 1B. This is how she's looking. They had her nice and wrapped in their little paper. Okay, it's cute. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. Oh, this towel is pretty. I love the curl pattern on it. I think it's to keep it sectioned off. It's already parted, which is dope. I really love that concept that they kept that in mind, because I know sometimes you can't find the parting on the unit and it can be hard, so they sectioned it off with a rubber band. Okay, so this is the construction of the unit. As you guys can see, it has lace only in this section, so I know it's not gonna be much I can do there besides create some baby hairs, because if you start plucking on that, I don't know where you're going. It's not a lot of room. They just really give you space to create baby hairs. So as you guys can see, it has the parting here, boom, boom. So you cannot part within this section. You only can show the part. This is the back, okay? It has the comb here. It has a comb here, and it does have drawstrings. It does have a comb right here, and right here as well.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
I want to give a huge shout out to Amazon. Thank you so much for sending me your cosmetology kit. If you guys are looking for affordable cosmetology kit, and you know you can't go to school right now but you still want to brush up on your skills, it's all good because Amazon got you. They got a kit full of stuff. I'm about to show you guys everything that came in the packaging really quickly, so you're able to get you're able to watch YouTube videos and also practice at home with your kit. So I'm going to be using some of these products as well throughout this video. Alright, so first they sent was an apron. Everything out because that would take so long. But you guys know the apron, if you want to have somebody in your chair, you can put this on. This also came with a dryer. As you guys can see. It came with two. You got a mini one. It came with two. You got a regular size flat iron. Well, not really regular. It has a bowl. Pretty much for your everyday dyeing needs. So if you're looking to dye. Also sent me some scissors. Spray bottle. Is in need of a spray bottle. Or hair. Well, I would use this one more so for your hair because it doesn't come down far. So it came with that. Came with like a little case. To put some of your, materials in, like your brush or whatever you want to use it for. Give me some clips. It came with some rubber bands. Y'all know we can use the rubber bands. I had to pull out the YouTube hand. More clips. See, y'all, I'm not gonna never run out of stuff. I swear, I'm not. Old wave rods. If you guys are into doing like what are they called, kinky twists. I don't even know if people do that anymore. Rollers, y'all know our parents used to use these back in the day. Shear case. You can put your scissors inside, do whatever you would like. Some gloves. It's open, and this is the full set of them. I really like. The little thing you put your mannequin on, so you'll set this up and then you can put her on like a table. We got some bobby pins as well. There we go. Also, they gave us needle and thread for your wigs if you need to sew. Getting a wig head, okay? I think this one's 23 inches. I think my head is 21.5, but I still can use it. Or scissors, whatever you want to call it. Head, okay? I was playing with it. We got a mannequin head. That way if you want to, dye her, well, I wouldn't say dye because this is synthetic, but if you want to play around with styles and stuff like that, sis, they got you, okay? And I would just use this to braid her down and put wigs on her, only because this is synthetic. There was not really much you can do with synthetic hair.
We now return to your regular programming.
Like, ooh, sis, it definitely blends in. I won't need to put foundation on it. I'm gonna cut off this lace off. I'm gonna use the scissors that I got out of the Amazon Cosmetology kit. Laces it all, and I'm also going in with the clips they sent as well. Alright, so we cut off the entire excess lace, and like I said, I have a big head, so this wig is snug, definitely right up in this area. I don't have any combs or anything hooked in, but on the sides it's flimsy, of course, so I think I'm gonna secure down that kind of. Let me just brush this. We gotta see what we're working with, and I'm using the brush as well. Y'all, I haven't wore human hair in a long time, so I can't even compare. I'm so used to the texture of, oh my gosh, that's pretty. Do you guys see that body wave pattern? No, sis. What? Okay, I should have did this last, but let me see if I'm getting any shedding. I am getting shedding, as you guys can see. This came out, and like I said, y'all just seen me cut into the unit, so we're gonna see if this shedding continues. Different. I don't know how to describe how it feels, but I can tell you right now, it's definitely not as soft. It looks as soft as virgin hair, but it's not. Alright, so today we're coming out with the Got to Be Glued gel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mold my baby hairs. Yo, so this is how we looking, and this is how I used to do my hair back in the day, because it was no such thing as, you know, what's this called, lace. And I won't wear it up because it looks too fake. Like, I wouldn't just sit here and put this in a ponytail. This pattern is wow. This pattern is freaking gorgeous. But oh, I forgot this rubber band. I wouldn't personally style it like do what is it called, the top notch bun or anything like that, because sis, I don't like this part up here. But I wouldn't personally do that, and I am getting shedding as well. But I wouldn't personally do that because it doesn't look realistic up in here, and I already look some type of way. You can use heat up to 400 degrees on this, so I'm about to take that mini flat iron I got. so we have reached the end of the video. As you guys can see, I am loving this unit, okay? I had to get into a mirror to see what it was looking like, but I don't like that it doesn't come with a full lace front. That's 100%. I don't like it. I wish it did, then I would be able to style it, but it's gonna look too fake. Like, we got lace fronts, we got lace units out, lace frontals, lace whatever, and if I put this up in a bun, everybody knows it's not my hair. You know, it just looks too no, I can't. So if I would change anything about this unit, it would be to add a lace front. Y'all could have just easily added a lace front on this unit. It would have been popping. So I didn't style it for that specific reason, because it's gonna look fake AF. This way it doesn't look too bad because you got a part and you know you got your little baby hair, so it doesn't look as bad. But I wasn't feeling that whole frontal. That thing was a no, was a no, was a no. Now as far as this hair, as you guys can see, it still kept its pattern. That's how I know it was human hair, because normally with synthetic hair, as soon as you start brushing it and carrying on, after a while, if you keep doing that for a long period of time, it would just, the curls would just come out. So I knew it was human hair by the way that I can, you know, still, you know, maneuver it or whatever, and it's still in the hair. So that is an A+. I did get shedding and I did get tangling with this unit. Wasn't surprised or shocked because it's $40. What more do you expect? But it did give me some tangling, okay? Make sure when you are tangling this unit to start from the bottom and work your way up. But still, I ran across that. Also, like I said, I cut into the unit, so it did give me shedding. This hair is not shedding now. Like, I can run my hands through it. I'm not getting no shedding, so that's good. It was literally only because I cut into the unit. So overall, since it's in love, this unit is TJ approved, period. So hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys thought about this hair in the comment section below. And guess what, guys? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.